guys, guess where I'm at? I'm in Dubai. I'm in Dubai. I told you guys I'll be in Dubai. Um, yeah, it is so beautiful right now. Like Dubai is so beautiful. Can't believe Dubai is this beautiful. Just look at this Dubai gym. Like what? But let me spawn my beautiful car. But it's a rental, y'all. Don't judge. Don't judge. It's a rental. Kind of looking like my car, but not that much. It's just that it's red. Okay, so guys, let's jet it. Let's jet it. So I think we should. Buy Burj Khalifa or some, cause this place is beautiful. At this point, I don't care. It's so beautiful here. I don't think I'll be buying a Burj Khalifa anymore. I think that place is way too far, and I don't know where's Burj Khalifa. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, I think I see it. Yes. So guys, I think I see Burj Khalifa. So guys, I'm at Burj Khalifa right now. I know that's an illegal parking, but I don't care. Whew, the doors are not automatic. Emily's apartment. Floor 6, 7. um, so guys, I got money on my stash. But Khalifa. What's going on? What's going on? Guess what I got? Floor numbers. As you can see, let's close that door. But this is gorgeous. Fiwawi? What? A Fiwawi? Guys, let me tell you a spin. One spin left. Guys, hope for your best, man. It was so close. But just look at this gorgeous place. A Ferrari. Let me just take my own personal gym. I think I'll start living in. What? What? Yeah, that definitely. Where my kitchen? Here definitely needs to be a kitchen. Where my kitchen? My kitchen. This is my kitchen now. You're my kitchen. Cause this is gorgeous. No, this is gorgeous. What? That gorgeous. And then with this teeny tiny bed. Wow. Wow. Just imagine. So guys, yeah. I'm going back on Monday because I got to move, so I'm going to be staying here for one night. I have to move from Brookhaven, so okay, I'm lost now. I'm actually lost. Oh, elevator, lobby. So yeah. This is so stressful. At least I packed my clothes. Got a water bottle that I finished. So yeah. And so guys, I'm back. Let's see where we can. Louis Vuitton. That's just beautiful. That's just beautiful. Louis Vuitton. So guys, we're taking him to the place basketball. Wow, I think I should really come here when I get my enough money. Cause I'm moving out right now. What's going on here, Burj Khalifa? Guys, I know this is illegal, but I'm gonna try getting through this. What's going on here? Can I climb this? Come on. Come on, let me climb. Let me climb. Ah, I can't climb. What's going on here? There is I win. Where was I win? Oh, where's my car? Oh, there's my. So yeah, sorry guys, I might have pauses. So yeah, let's go to the Dubai Mall. What? For sale? Such a big plot of land. Thinking what I'm thinking? Let us buy a house. Let us buy a oh, still mentions. I'm so sad. But I feel like buying it. So guys, we'll be going to the Dubai Mall. Wait, jeez. Please tell me. Okay. Wait, hold up. Please don't tell me I'm just gonna fall. Wait, gotta check. Yep, I won't fall. Maybe it's a little bit damaged. Maybe the Kaiser's distance car is a little bit damaged. But who knows? Nobody. Come on. It's a different place. Oh, Mr. Bye, but I have to go tomorrow. Oh, I'm your little bossy boss. Goodbye, Dubai. Goodbye. I can't believe I'm going tomorrow. I am so bored. I'm going home. Literally tomorrow. Where's my phone? Hey, who's calling me? Yeah? Yeah, what do you mean? I have to be here by tomorrow. Why? You guys are packing now. Sorry guys. So you guys want me there or what? So I should be back by today. So are you telling me that? What do you mean? But I just came to Dubai. It's literally on Sunday. And Dubai and there are two different things. Whatever, I'll come. I enjoyed Dubai while I did. Dubai, don't worry. I'm coming back when I'm not moving out. Bye. Goodbye. See you guys at Brookhaven. I guess I'm back in Brookhaven. Now I low-key miss Dubai. But life is life. Sometimes you gotta pack your stuff and leave. But at least some of my clothes and underwears are in that bag. So I'm just waiting for the movers to come. But let me guys show you the new plot I'll be living in. I'll miss your house. The first day I built you, it didn't look like a house. Let me just kiss the house for the last time. By tomorrow, I won't be here. It'll be somebody else's house, or they'll just take it down. Let me kiss it. Mwah. The door. Mwah. Let's go to the pool. Let's go to the pool. Used to be a small pool, but now you're a beautiful pool. To me, you're the precious thing. One more swim. You're sliding door. You guys, I'll miss you. But the movers told me I have to be here. New plot, new house. Probably a bigger house. What's going on now? Probably a way bigger house. I'm saying goodbye to this old car. I am selling it. Let me go quickly. Better car, better house. Yep. I'll be here. I'll be living here. Next to this beautiful house. But yeah, I'll be living here. But they're also moving out, and those people there. So yeah. But I'll be living at house number 1. I'll miss your house. I'll miss you. So this will be my new plot. I can't believe I'm doing this. I don't feel well. Because I'm selling my car today. And I'm buying a new one. Maybe that'll show me up. Let me just use a shortcut. Because I don't feel like stopping in a red card. Red light. Was that a puncher? What just happened? Why is the car so slow now? Oh, wait, it has some problems. Let me just fix it. Okay, guys, I think it's fixed. Yep. I'm a mechanic. The only car here is a Bugatti. It's a Bugatti, but at least I can afford it. So let me talk to the car person. That beautiful baby right there. So, so these are different cars. Oh, one has more speed. Which one has the most speed here? This one, okay. May I please buy this one? Today, right now. Yeah, I already paid it. Yeah, that beautiful baby. I'll miss it. Goodbye. I'll miss you, car. It will never be the same after. But here's my dream car. You know what? Let me just sit in it for one last time. Oof. Still feels like how I used to drive it. Forgot to do this. Still feels like it. No, I don't have it anymore. Somebody else is gonna buy you. But why did you guys have to take off the cover? Oh. So Yep. Coming out with the brand whip. And it's at night. Wow. Just wonderful. Gotta sleep and then the next day I get again. What time is it? Let me check up. Still 6. So it's going so dark. Last time parking in this garage. This is you guys' last time seeing me in this house. Just so beautiful. Everything gets emotional. This thing. Oh, see you guys tomorrow. Ring, 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 ring. Cold in the night. What do you mean you guys are outside? Right now, I'm ready to move out. Can't you just give it until tomorrow? Why you cough like that? Okay, I'm coming. Why a child in my doorway? Let me just respond and let me be kind. What do you want? So who is this? What is her name? Let me friend her quickly. Cupcake. It is Cupcake Forever. Cupcake Forever. I guess you're my friend. Let's see if she replies. Open. So guys, let's go to the brand new house. Let me just call her. Come in the car. Whatever. You know more, my child. Let me just say it. How did she lock? How did she get in? So, she no more my child. Let me just block her quickly from my house. How do I exit the family? So yeah, I have no child anymore. But I have to go to the new my days. Are you okay? Oh, I forgot to do this. But honestly, I'll miss this house. My car is in the back. So yeah. People still drive horses. Oh my days, I just scratched this car. So yeah. So guys, we have arrived to the new house. Let me just pack this big thing in the garage. Let's hope it can fit. let me not take a risk of my new house, guys. This is pretty. And as we can see, the other neighbor moved out. So yeah, I'll be packing all my things in the house. So guys, the truck is going right now. So let me pack this beauty in here. This is a huge garage. I should get more cars. But this is a huge garage. So yeah, I guess this is my brand new home. Yeah. Let us take a tour. We already saw the garage, the guest bathroom. Okay, let's go up. The guest bedroom, the children's bedroom, the master bedroom. So yeah, that's all. Why do I feel like the other one is better? Because it had two. They're both the same, but this one is way better. So yeah, I even have an indoor pool. So I'm rich. Let me just step out of this house. Does it smell like my other neighborhood? You know what? Let me just go and visit my old house where I used to stay. So guys, we have arrived. Still nobody lives here. House number 14. I'll always remember you. That was a sharp turn, but yeah. And goodbye, that's my brand new house. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow my crazy adventures.